Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We want to sort out our channels alphabetically. If you look at this place, you can see that the channels are not properly arranged. You have F here, you have I, you have L. We want to do it so that it will be properly sorted alphabetically, like A, B, C, D. How do we go about it? Let's click our menu on, let's first of all exit this page. Then you click menu, go to this place, see installation, edit, settings, network, USB, and about STB. You go to edit channel, comes to this place, channels, radio, TV favorite, radio favorite, sort channels, user channels. So we'll go to sort channels. You can see, click to sort channels, then you see alphabet. Then you exit it again, go back to your front page. You can see it's properly arranged. F, G, Ot, H, I. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. Bye.